Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Usman and my presentation topic is fashion trends and its impact on society. First of all, we have to understand what is the meaning of society. Society is a place where we live together and interact with each other, and also we share our joys and sorrows. A unique combination of functional and cultural systems defines and distinguishes a society. Introduction. Fashion is something we deal with every day. One can find a lot of changes and evolution in the history of fashion. Name brands become particular importance among young people. Fashion changes like wind, which makes it difficult for men to keep pace with them. We have to understand what is the meaning of fashion. Fashion is a form of non-verbal communication that indicates occupation, gender, etc. It not only embraces clothing but also accessories, enable us to make ourselves understood with rapid comprehension by the onlooker. Fashion is only a means of one's expressions. Question is that question is that who dictates fashion? Fashion forecasters and bloggers can have more influence. But who actually decides what will be fashionable in this year? The world of fashion has changed and it's no longer the top design houses in London, Paris, Milan, or New York people turn to when they want to know what they should be wearing this season. When top fashion houses releases a new collection, they have the power of online influencers and forecasters to help them get it into the public domain. Many of the influencers and celebrities who can have many million of followers on social media, the forecasters, follows trends and try to fathom what will be fashionable next year and beyond. The fashion houses use the services of both to try and be the one who comes out on top in the fashion world. Musicians and other cultural icons have always influenced that we are wearing, but so have political figures and royalty. The recent death of Gloria Vanderbilt, the Princess of Wales, was a severe blow to the high fashion world, where her clothes were daily news. Everything have some positive and some negative impacts. We can argue whether or not the fashion trends has more of a positive or negative effect on people of today. Regardless, we can agree that the apparel industry has grown to become very popular and influential. Society comprises of the population including infants, small kids, teen, adults, working population and retired people. There are various categories including different level of population and their mindsets. So the impact of the trends will be differ from country to country, category to category, group to group and individual to individual. Fashion is always rapidly changing for a reason. The age when the impact of anything is at peak is between 10 to 24 years. Because at this age we don't develop to use our mind and differentiate between what is actually good and bad for us. Now, let's discuss some positive impacts of fashion. Girls or boys use the fashion in order to attract the representatives of their country. Fashion industry employs some million of people per year. It shows your thinking in modern and flexible way. It is a way of celebrating the diversity and variety of the world in which we live. Negative impacts. Youth only thinks about the new fashion styles and this causes money wasting on it. The main task of the students is study. Since they spend more time on fashion, they will have less time and energy on study. We seem to feel inadequate if not properly accepted by society, so we are mentally disturbed by it, and it can causes things such as anxiety, depression, and eating disorders. We go more for look and the name rather than quality. Views. My views are, I believe that fashion should be sensible, dressed up nicely, looking good, and the main and the common thing the fashion is to be, which makes us comfortable. This pie chart shows some classification of people surveyed. 61% of respondents were below 25 and above 15. 21% are below 35 and above 25, and 8% are below 45 and above 35, and the remaining 8% were about 45. Age is very important variable as choice varies according to different ages. Marketers should focus on all age groups and particularly design. There is no relationship between age perception and fashion, but the definition of fashion is different for different age groups and according to their satisfaction level varies. Conclusion. The main aim was just to understand how the apparel trend can impact us. The noticeable changes in trends were seen from centuries, but still our ancestors kept the Pakistani treasure alive. But now the fashion trends and the Western culture influence are more effectual, which is not only changing the clothing but also the mindset of generation. While Pakistani youth was adopting Western trend, the West was getting highly influenced by Pakistani culture and practices. Today's society want to get modern, but that doesn't mean we go Western. Indian fashion today is about change, price, brand, confidence, and position. All we can conclude is that it finally depends on you. The beauty of you lies in yourself and not in the trends. So, you decide you want to get influenced by other trends or create your own trend and influence others. I will wind up my presentation with a quote of Jaini verses. He said, don't be into trends, don't make fashion on you, but you decide what you are, what you want to express by the way you dressed and the way you live. Thank you.